guys, Team Old Blue. We're heading up to Lockport for a ride to go get a wiring harness. Here's a little clip of Old Blue on the road heading up to Lockport. See ya. Team Old Blue, we're getting ready to cross a locked bridge for ships and all that. We're going over it in a little bit. So here's the bridge. Old Blue is on the bridge. Okay guys, we're heading into the junkyard where the truck is, driving Old Blue into the yard. As you can see, here's an old school bus in the weeds and some old vehicles and everything. The truck we're going to get the wiring harness out of has bees in it, so there might be another series of this video. So we'll see how bad the bees are, and depending how bad it is, that's a good one right there, Dan. Yeah, but it shows. Is it over there then? Go forward over that way. Okay. So here's Old Blue in the woods.
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. That's the truck. So here's the truck.
So you can see all the bees up in there.
Mm-hmm.
You can hear them.
So yeah, look at this in the woods. This bad boy.
Old square body.
Old square body Chevy.
Inspection sticker 1992.
That me. Inspection sticker. Like Dennis said, 1992 was the last time this truck was probably on the road.
These old ones over here.
Anywhere else you think they would have a wiring harness?
I don't know. There's a Ranger here. I think it was cut out.
So this would be another truck?
That's another truck, but everything we're looking for is gone.
Looks similar to the black truck.
Yep.
It's fun to do some Will It Starts back here.
Will it start?
Shout out Bruce Wilson on doing Will It Starts on these old piles. Okay, so we got one of the front control arms done for Blackjack, the name of the 1969 F100 that we're currently working on putting together. So that's what we're working on now. It's all prepped. Just got to do a quick wear wheel on this knuckle here, and we will be good to go. Okay, guys. Today, when we went to go get the wiring harness in Lockport, there were bees in the truck that we were going to get them out of. So there's going to be a part 2 series of this.